Well, now this is a very interesting thrift find. We have an electronic cash register, and it came with the keys, so I can actually use it. So da ba da ba da ba da. Don't know if that's $27 or $2,700, but I can't. There's no decimal, so I'm not sure. But yeah, pretty cool. Now the drawer won't open all the way because I'm on a carpet. Oops. Where is it? That's clear. Yeah, so that's pretty sweet. Got the little coin box there, and yeah. I think that's where you put the checks underneath there. And in here is that where it prints receipts. Can I put my flash on? Thank you. But there's no paper. I don't even know if there's an ink thing in here or not. Oh, well, yeah, I can see the little things there. Hold on, let's see if I can... Can't remember how I got it to go, but yeah. Now, if there was paper in here, we'd probably print. But yeah. Oh, what's this? Battery. Oh man, I gotta take those out. One of them blew up. Nice. I'll deal with that in a minute. But yeah, I think it's a pretty sweet little thrift find. So yeah, that's my thrift find of the day.